What has happened? Mr. Gopalakrishnan and others are not very happy only with this macro. That means I will have to do this, go back to the macro, view the macro, run the macro. They say, "Sir, for this I can as well go and do the other things. I want the system to do itself. I will not do anything. I will only go and change the customer. Everything should change. So for that, what we will have to do, the next step of our knowledge acquisition is going to be visual basic applications, and we are going to write some magic VBA scripts so that that magic happens in this screen also. Now for that, we will have to go to the visual basic screen. There is a shortcut to go to that visual basic screen is Alt and F11. You may please note down somewhere. It is Alt and F11. Hey Baba, what's happening?
Function button you have to put pressure,
I
sir.
think function button. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Second one. Because that is why it should normally work.
Yeah, function shift F11.
Function shift F11, is it?
Yes, sir. Yes. All put together parallelly should be done.
1 second. It has opened so many now because at the background I think it was opening. So let me close. What is this? This I don't need.
You can disable the function button, sir. Then you can access.
That we will do it a little later, not now.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Now we have gone. Now we have gone to the. This is the VBA. What do you call? This is your VBA window. Okay. We will slightly take this window, a smaller one, so that it becomes easy for you to. Is my both windows visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Now we must go to a VBA project in this. See, it will appear to be difficult in the beginning, like many of the things which appear difficult for you, but it is not so very difficult as we proceed. Okay, that is what I wanted to tell you. Now we should go to the VBA project, and the VBA project, that is a name, no? The name of this one. Let me see whether it is in this workbook or in the other one. No, it is not here. So we will close it. Function Alt F11. So there are so many. So in my case, you must choose the correct project. This is the name of the file, TCA-U, because I have given my name. So you go and select and then click module 1. When you double click, you will have this code already written. Please see this code. Are you able to see this code, please? Where
Yes, sir.
I will make it bigger.
Yeah, B3 to E3.
Yeah, what it does, we will just see it and then come back. What it says, range B3 E3. Where is this range B3 E3? This is the range B3 E3. Application, customer type false. Don't worry about all these things. Nothing you should worry about it. All that you will have to do is you take this range from this range to this unique. You take this range to this unique and copy it. For some time, you just agree to whatever I am saying. Later on, we will have a lot of discussions once you become thorough on this. Now I have copied this range. Now I want this to run where, in which sheet I want this to run. I want
Macro.
this to run in which sheet? What's the sheet? Dashboard. So I go to customer dashboard. I go and double click. Customer dashboard is now empty. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
It is not empty. It is empty. Now I want to do something. I go and say I select the worksheet. Now automatically I have a selection change. What has happened? In this worksheet, if something changes, then I want this subroutine to run. Subroutine means what in a programming language? Subroutine means normally only once we will be having. Subroutine means it will be run again and again and again. Within a routines, small subroutines will be continuously. They are called whatever I am going to do repeatedly. We sometimes call it a subroutine. Now I have got this sub. It is altered. You need not do anything. You are not writing anything. You have seen now. I copied that and then kept it in the clipboard. I have come to customer dashboard. I selected worksheet and you have a lot of them in this worksheet. Don't worry about anything. We will talk about selection change only we will take. Okay. And we come here, we put some gap, go up and simply copy it. What I did, I went from there, I did all these things, then I copied it. Now, let me go back here, leave it here at this point. I'll make it slightly smaller so that you know what is happening. Both windows need to be open, otherwise you will find it difficult. Now I go back here, I go and select Eastern connection. Now what has happened? Have you seen?
Yeah, coming.
It will close in 5 minutes. Again, we will do this. So I go back here. Now I've taken, let's say, fork OCH and then given enter. My fork OCH HP has come. Gopalakrishnan sir, you are happy? Yes. So, am I audible, please?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah. Now we will again.
Yes, I am happy. Yeah, you have to please repeat it because
We will do, sir. We will do. We just only started now, We will have to do it again. All that I did was, I first did run a macro, and then that macro was available to me automatically in this place. Then I did not bother because the name is macro 1. I am not worried about anything. I don't want this range, nothing. I went and copied this action point only. And then I went to the customer dashboard. I went to the worksheet. I was in general when we started. I went to the worksheet. Then it automatically made a selection change because normally that is what happens. Then it has already given me a programming language. If you really look at it, private, sub, worksheet, many things it wrote. Don't worry about anything. You don't need to understand anything. At this point, I went and only put the actionable item here. Then I came back. I went here and I selected Bone app or let's say Centro Commercial. I put an enter Centro Commercial.
Wow, super.
I believe you must be happy about it, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So what we will do, I will now close the recording. 1 second.